In this video, I'm showing you how to crochet this elegant choker. This is Manor's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video, please. For this bright pink model, I used a lace yarn and a 0.85mm hook. However, for the tutorial, I'm gonna use a thicker yarn and a bigger hook with a size of 1.5mm. I'm starting with 11 chains. Making 2 loops on the hook, skipping 6 stitches, and in the 7th one, pulling the thread out and taking the loops in pair. And that's 1 treble stitch. Now making 3 chains, 1 treble crochet in the last chain, now 6 chains, turn the work around, 1 treble crochet in this spot, three chains, and 1 treble crochet here. Six chains, turn the work around, 1 treble crochet, three chains, 1 treble crochet, and keep this going till you reach your desired length based on your wrist or neck size. And this is the outcome of the first step. Now I'm making 1 chain, turning the work around, 4 single crochet around this string. And now in this spot, I'm making 1 single crochet and 3 chains and 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. It's like a normal double crochet stitch, but I'm not taking the last hoop and leaving it be on the hook. And now I've got these hoops. First I'm taking 3 of them and pulling the thread through them, and then I'm taking the remaining 2 and pulling the thread through them, and now 3 chains and 1 single crochet. And this is how we create a petal. Once again, in this spot I'm making 3 chains, 3 unfinished double crochet stitches, pulling the thread through these hoops in 2 steps, 3 chains and 1 single crochet. And again 3 chains, 3 unfinished double crochet stitches, pulling the thread, 3 chains, 1 single crochet. And now we have 3 petals. Now I'm taking the work like this, in this angle, and I'm making 4 single crochet around this string. And now this string, 1 single crochet, and like this one here, we're going to make 3 petals again. So I'm making 3 chains, 3 unfinished double crochet stitches, pulling the thread in 2 steps, 3 chains, 1 single crochet. And the other 2 petals would be the same. Now I'm taking the work like this. I'm making 4 single crochet stitches. This is the front side or the main side of the work. And this is the back side. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful 3D layer texture. So in this spot I'm making 1 single crochet and 3 chains and 3 unfinished double crochet stitches, pulling the thread, 3 chains, 1 single crochet, and that would be a petal, and repeating this 2 more times. Now 4 single crochet around this string, turn the work around, 1 single crochet, 3 chains, 3 unfinished DC stitches, pulling the thread, 3 chains, and 1 single crochet. And for the last time, I'm making 4 single crochet around this string, and turn the work around, and 1 single crochet, and that's it. And this would make a great choker or a bracelet or even an anklet. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe.